green. Brachiosaurus, neck up to the blue, reaching for the leaves. Peek-a-boo! Moving to the next one. Here we go! Stegosaurus Plates, glowing in the sun, walking in the meadow, having so much fun. Pterodactyl wings gliding in the sky. Look at how he's soaring, way up high. Friendly T-Rex stomping on the ground, smiling big and happy, looking all around. Ooh.